Angela threw the cake on me, I thought it would be the end of the relationship. But hearing that Angela said we should meet up, I felt
Teraz
relieved.
spać? Teraz spać. Drago dear. Drago dear. Sini da galas. Sini da galas. Drago dear. Hi, Ja. Hiccup.
I'm so happy that you called me.
Hiccup.
So I'm willing to listen to you.
Michael, the reason I'm coming over here on this trip is to straighten out the trust because I want